If I have a chance to improve the girls' education system, firstly, I would like to say all parents to send their girls for education, because if a girl is educated, everyone will educate. Because if a girl is going to be married and she is educated and she can do anything for the family, if necessary, she will do the job for family. Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
I'm fine.
I'm also fit and fine. Ask questions.
If you have a chance to reform your society, then what will you do for your society?
If I have a chance to reform the society, firstly, I would like to change the mentality of people, because they are not supporting girls' education, and I would like to change the area because there are many pollution. That's enough.
What is that bad habit that you want to give up?
I don't think I have a bad habit. If you know I have a bad habit, tell me. I will reform it.
What do you do in free time?
I scroll reels, I watch mobile, and I study, and I sleep more.
Which subject you don't like?
I don't like chemistry
Why?
because I don't like solving the elements. I don't like solve it.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English,
Why?
because from childhood I want to become an English teacher. I like children, I want to teach them. And nowadays English is very important for all of us. We should learn it.
If you have chance to go anywhere, where would you go?
If I have a chance to go anywhere, I would like to go to Kolkata, because my paternal and maternal house is in Kolkata and I like to live with family.
Do you want to be teacher? Why do you want to be teacher?
Because as I said that I want to be a teacher from childhood. I like children's. That's why.
If you want to do something for girls' education, then what do you do?
If I have a chance to improve the girls' education system, firstly, I would like to say all parents to send their girls for education, because if a girl is educated, everyone will educate. Because if a girl is going to be married and she is educated and she can do anything for the family, if necessary, she will do the job for family. Girls' education is very important.
Can a person succeed without knowledge?
Yes, a person can be successful with knowledge. He can do any business with knowledge. He can open a business of clothes or anything like this. Degree doesn't matter.
Should boy help in domestic work?
Yes, they should in domestic works. Boys should help in
Why?
domestic works. Because where it is written that only girls will do the domestic works, they should help them.
Do you dare to raise voice against Dowry system?
I dare to raise fight against dowry system.
How?
Firstly, I will guide the people and educate them that the dowry system is not good for our society. A girl is going, that is not enough. Why they are taking too much dowry?
Is the small state of India.
Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India.
Do you want to say about pollution?
What? Can you
What do
speak
you want
loudly?
to say about pollution?
I just want to say that pollution is just because of us. We are polluting the area because of the garbage, because of the vehicles, and we should not pollute them, because just because of pollution many birds, and also we are not getting fresh air, fresh oxygen. We should control it.
Who is that person in your home with whom you share everything?
My sister, I share everything what I have done or what I will do. I share everything with my sister.
Who is a special person in your life?
My parents.
Why?
I just want to like them because they are very hardworking and very kind.
Do you have best friend?
No, I don't have best friends.
If you had more money, so what would your first reaction?
I will be very happy because I dream from childhood, because I want more money. I want to help the needy. If I have a lot of money, I will help the needy firstly.
Why do you have best friend?
Why?
Do you have best friend?
I don't have best friend. I don't have best friend because I don't like having a friend. It's better to be alone because I can't believe anyone. If I will share anything, maybe he will or she will share with another's. It's better to be alone. I share everything with my sisters. She is just like my best friend. Speak loudly.
Why are you celebrate Independence Day?
Because on the independence, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August because on that day, we got independence from the British rule.
When did you pass high school?
I passed in 2023.
Clap. Very good.
Thank you so much.